Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure Wi-Fi or reliable mobile data is active and your battery is above 20% or plug in the charger. Once done, open the Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store, the one that hosts the app, because updates follow the source. Sign into the correct account so purchases and updates match. Also, enable background data and auto-update if you want updates to happen automatically. This saves time and avoids missing critical. Now locate the app. Type its name, then open the store listing so you can see the current version and changelog. Tap Update to start a single update, or go to Manage Apps and Device for bulk updates and queue control. Review requested permissions and the size in storage to ensure you have room. This reduces failed installs. If an update is large, prefer Wi-Fi. If you need a specific version, disable auto updates for that app to prevent automatic overwrites. After tapping Update, wait for download and installation to finish, then open the app to verify it runs and that critical features work. If the app behaves oddly, clear the app cache and data first. Make sure to sign in again if required. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app from the same store. This often fixes corruption. And if installs won't start, restart your phone and check Play Store or Galaxy Store updates. That single restart resolves many background service conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.